Imagine a world where your notifications are filtered, your to-do lists organize themselves, and your focus remains razor sharp. That's the promise AI brings to our modern, distraction-filled lives. By automating routine tasks and sorting urgent from irrelevant, AI acts as a digital gatekeeper, shielding you from the constant barrage of pings and buzzes. Instead of wasting precious minutes sifting through endless emails, AI can highlight what truly matters, freeing your mind for deep, creative work. Calendar clashes? AI can suggest optimal meeting times, manage your schedule, and even remind you to take breaks before fatigue sets in. As your personalized assistant, artificial intelligence adapts to your workflow, learning your habits and helping you build smarter, healthier routines. The result? More time for innovation, more headspace for big ideas, and a renewed sense of control over your day. With AI, distraction doesn't stand a chance.